Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm super excited today because I am going to be doing another bloom attempt. But wait, I have something to show you. Look at what I got. My first official fluid art spinner from Erica Hughes. I'm so excited to be using this for the very first time. I feel like I'm legit now. But we're going to be using this to spin out a bloom that I've been wanting to try for a while now. It's pretty cool, these spinners. You can like adjust the feet, and this is a 16 by 20 inch level 3 canvas from Artist Loft. And for our base color, I have this Sherwin-Williams Color to Go. It's a very dark blue, and I've used it before, and it looks really pretty with other colors on top, so that's what we're going to be using for our base. And I'm really excited because I have all my TLP piggy pigments over here. So to start out with, I love this one. It's so beautiful. It is called Lagoon. And then this purple one is the infamous Zimzelen color. And finally, we have Golden Peach, which is so pretty. I'm so excited to use all of these colors on this dark base. And then for our cell activator, we're going to be just using some Amsterdam Light Gold on top of that. Now, I only mix these with US Floetrol, so I'm not sure if we're going to get the cells in lacing, but we're going to try it out. Okay, so I'm going to shut up here and you guys can watch the process unfold. right, here we are looking at the wet result. Not what I had expected, but kind of cool. This section's actually really cool. I'm loving this section. Um, Definitely got too much of the pillow blown in. Typical, typical. This is interesting. I'm not quite sure if this is like cells or if lacing or if this looks maybe like tentacles or I don't know, fractals kind of, but we will see how it dries. And I think it's going to be beautiful because it's already shimmering in the light. So the gold and the pink. I don't have dried results just yet. I'm actually, I do have dried results. It's just I'm adding some embellishment because I have a sea creature that's poking out to me in this painting. So once that's done, I will show you all. So definitely keep an eye out for that. All right, give me a like and a follow if you would, and we will see you next time. Thanks so much. Have a good week, everyone. Bye bye.